Hi there, this is Nikki Richardson and I wanted to talk to you. I want to share with you today a recipe for simple cauliflower toast, something that you could use as a base for eggs or to smash some avocado or basically eat by itself. It's absolutely delicious. So come on over, let me show you the ingredients that I have. I have cauliflower rice that is mixed in here with some cilantro. This is some egg. I put a little bit of brown rice flour, and then the seasoning I put is cumin powder, turmeric powder, which is fantastic with an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and an anti-carcinogen. I put just a very tiny pinch of red chili powder. You can do without that if you want. Salt to taste, and this is coriander powder. And then I put just about a tablespoon of brown rice flour. So between the brown rice flour and the egg, it kind of binds it together. So, and of course, it doesn't look very bound over here, but here we have some, this is the finished product, so you can see that it's got a nice crust on it and it sort of holds together. So this is what we're going to end up doing. So we're going to start by taking a little bit of oil. So you want to use a high heat oil, so kind of use avocado oil. And I have a cast iron skillet pan over here. This is an Indian, specifically an Indian thing called a tawa. And I'm just sprinkling just a little bit of oil to start it. You don't want it to, you want it to be pretty hot before you get it in there. And I'm going to take a spoonful of this and just dollop it into the middle, and then take my spatula to flatten it down. I tried to do it with my hand to make it into a flat pancake, and it totally did not work. So this is what I advise to do. So we're just going to let that get a nice brown crust on one side, and then we'll flip it over on the other side. So cauliflower rice is very versatile. You can make it very many different ways. You can make it like a rice so that you can use it on top of as a base for lentils, as we do in Indian food, in Indian cooking, or you can eat it as is. It's a really great alternative to regular white rice or brown rice. So this is pretty hot, but I'm going to wait. You should be able to kind of easily move it around, see, without it falling apart. But I'm going to wait just a few seconds more for it to get a little bit more well bound before I flip it over. And you can obviously change the size of this to make it a little bit bigger if you wish, or smaller. Alright, so now I'm going to flip it over. So you can see it's got a nice golden crust on the outside. And we're just going to finish this with a little bit more cooking. And then if you can come right back over here, and you see that this is what the beautiful finished product looks like. So I hope you enjoy this. See, both sides nice and crispy. Enjoy it, and I would love for you to give me your feedback after you've tried it. Happy eating.